love this cordless drill because it's super light. It's only 2.5 pounds, but it's still really powerful. This button changes the direction. And then at the top here, you have all of your different options for your torque settings. It goes all the way up to 21. And then you have your keyless chuck that allows you to attach different bits in here. Super easy to use. This set actually comes with quite a few different goodies. It comes with expansion screws and driver bits, whoops. Oh, and you also have all of your bits right here. The bits come in this handy dandy holder with a visual guide, so that's super helpful. And then what else do we have in here? Oh, this is the magnetic socket bit holder. And then this is the fast charger. This will charge each battery in about 1 hour. It comes with 2 batteries. Honestly, I've only had to use 1 battery. I've been using this drill to put together a bunch of furniture that I bought online, and I've only used 1 battery the whole time. This is how easy it is to swap in and out. It just pops off like this. That's what it looks like. And it pops right back on. This drill also has a built-in light, so it's really helpful if you're working in kind of a dark space. And lastly, everything comes in this very cool bag that's not too big or bulky, but carries everything that you need and more. So overall, this is a really nice set. It is perfect for small projects and exactly what I needed.